Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about Fortnite on nvidia Geforce Now. So in one simple word, it is available. If you want to play Fortnite, you can play Fortnite on Geforce Now. You can also play Marvel Avengers, Guardians of the Galaxy, Tomb Raider, Star Wars, Jedi of the Front. You can play a lot of games. Now, if you really want to play Fortnite, all you gotta do is type in Fortnite, and look, that's Fortnite right there. And after that, all you gotta do is play, and that's gonna be it. You can play Fortnite. Now, Fortnite is quite popular, but if you really want to play Fortnite, you should play Fortnite. I'm not really sure on how the performance will be, since Fortnite is kind of a competitive game, and my advice when it comes to competitive game is if you use a streaming service like this, you are going to have a delay, and that delay might be very what's the word I'm searching for? In simple words, that delay might be the reason why you lose a game or get killed in Fortnite. So yeah, if you really want to play Fortnite, my best advice would be just download it on your PC. And if your PC is not capable enough, maybe save up until you upgrade that. And while you're saving up, play it on the Geforce Now experience. There's nothing else you can do about that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.